Hello friends, I'm Arav and you're watching Arav Tech. In this video, I'm going to share you a full review for the Pixel Experience with the July security update and other changelogs. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. This is the Pixel Experience ROM, clean ROM without any ads, bugs and any bloatware. I'm using it with more than 15 days for the testing period and it is the best ROM that you can consider it. For the change logs, I will help you out for the change logs. Here are the Pixel Experience Mojito 11 version Android 11 official zip with their change logs, and I'm using this. They have added July security patch, updated translations app, and also improved FaceUnlock. Like I unlock my device and unlock my device. You can see it. And these are the device changelogs. Setup required props for users LMKD, switch Skia rendering backend to Vulkan. They have enabled forced triple frame buffers. Added Bluetooth aptX blobs from redfin, and he also told that if you have any issue you can tag him in the logs. So these are the chain logs. Firstly, I will tell you about this from the settings. So where the settings? Here it is. Okay, about the phone, it is running on Android version 11, as you can see it. Android version 11 with the latest 5th July 2021 security update with the kernel version of 4.414.190 LAUM, as you can see this, and the build number is it. And from the system options, I am using the Plus edition, so I can get buttons options, all the things that is present in the Plus edition that is present over here, and the status bar you can customize it like that. I have customized it. There is some options like whatever we get in the status bar options, and I have already told you that I have customized it, all things according to you can enable AM, PM. I don't want to use small icons for the system icons. System updates, yeah, you can get updater for this. Gestures, swipe to screenshot, enabled hai. System navigations is enabled with all the things for the nav bar. And rules options, you can use rules features. I don't want to use this. For the accessibilities, magnification, all the dark theme works good and with no problems, as you can see this, and remove animation works. Haptic one thing I will note you that haptic feedback is not as good as MIUI, but it is good. Sound amplifier, when you plug the earphones in it, you can use sound amplifier, and there a pop-up comes when you insert a earphone. So privacy, I'm not tell you to use this privacy settings. I don't like it. Don't use locations and anytime enabled it, because I think enabling location may cause harm to your security and anything. Display, brightness, dark theme I've already enabled. Adaptive brightness works, like my goes out. Live display, you can calibrate your display according to use. I have to calibrate it to this. You customize it. Styles and wallpapers, here is the options of styles. You can use customs and use this wallpapers. It is Pixel live wallpaper plus other wallpapers. Guide, you can choose it. Rotate setting, you can rotate your smartphone at any degrees. Font size, display size as usual. Tap to wake, tap to sleep. Wake up on plug when you plug your charger. Battery, and I tell you the battery is too good. I got 16 hours and 34 minutes of usage. I will share the screenshot in the end of the video, so please see that. Yeah, fast charging works, but I think not as fast as MIUI. Network and internet, I'm using the both Airtel and Jio sims with no problems. The call is working fine, there is no any issues with that. Hotspot is working, plus Wi-Fi is working. And if you ask me for the speed test, you can see the speed test. Run speed test. I'm using the Airtel sim, so there is not a huge speeds for the Airtel, but I got a huge amount of speed for the Jio, about 40 to 50 Mbps, and at the night I got 80 Mbps, so there is no issue with the network. And upload speed also is good. And if you tell about its fluidity, it's just like that. Opens fastly any app, and you can see this. And for the Google camera, I have already made the video for the Google camera, so please watch that video, and after that please watch this video. So till then, bye bye, and please once again like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get my notifications to you. Bye bye.